At the monitors here, and then the glass reflects what's on the monitors, and it's prompt people. It's very good. Blackmagic camera, studio camera, extremely compact, extremely powerful, very good. We have the snake going back to the panel box. We have the lights. We have Fresnels and Ellipsoidals, and we have LED strip lighting. It's going to make it real nice. We have cyclorama wall in the back. We have curtain issues. They bought the wrong curtains, and they're way too long. They're 20 feet long, and we have 9 feet there. So they bunch up on the floor, so we're not going to use the curtains for a while. Then we're going to go into the control room. Right here. We have a number of, this is called multi-view right here. This is a monitor that will project whatever you're working on your computer out in the classroom, can be projected from here. This is camera number 2 set up. Camera number 2 right here. The multi-view shows you all 3 cameras, and you can play from a media player. We have 2 media players here, and we have a DVR, direct recording devices, that we have rack mounted, which I'm going to talk here in a second about. This is the video controller from Blackmagic. And then we have speakers, we have a phone, we have a board, an audio board. This is the ATM Live production switcher manual. And we have manuals for every piece of equipment in here. It goes on and on and on. It's over 20,000 pages, so it takes a while to go through everything. We have a set of monitors here that display. This is a computer, this is a computer, this is a computer. We have computers tied in to various software packages to run the cameras and the film editing. We have virtual screens that will show. This is a color correction panel from Blackmagic that allows us doing recording or when we're editing after in post-production to color correct to make sure the video matches. This is the camera remote control panel from Blackmagic. We can run all the controls on the camera from here and adjust the iris and adjust all the different pans and all the different tilt functions. And we have the 4 cameras. We have the 3 studio cameras, and we have the 4th camera mounted on the ceiling. And it's a pocket camera. It's a very good Blackmagic camera. This allows me to see the phases for the lights and how much of the chroma key we're using. It's basically a graphing monitor. This shows the vectors and the quality of the light. This is, again, multi-view on the big monitor, on a smaller set of monitors for a panel. So if you're working here, you can see what is happening with production. This is a light board. This is another multi-view panel. And this is a controller. It's the ATM output and the ME controllers that allow for multi-view. Now these controllers are the key video switchers. We switch here, we switch there, we switch over there. There's multiple ways to switch from camera to camera and record. This is the rack mounted devices. This is your Ace Audio RJ45 lines were Cat 5. And everything is Cat 5. We have our audio decks. We have our recorders. We have A, B, G, K, E, and H. We have C and F and J, and these are all separate standalone recorders for video. We can play from them and we record to them. We have media players. We also have our ATM Classroom SDI standard broadcast studio, and it is 12G. It's a smart hub. This is a smart video hub, 12G also. And then down here on the bottom, we have the quad channel, and it's all switchers that allow us to switch from the various devices and tools that we're using. And Extron and metrics are the ones that we use. They're very good, state of the art. So as you look around the studio, you have speakers mounted here, you have 2 speakers out in the classroom, you have a monitor, you have 2 speakers here locally from the board. So you have sound and video control in here. We're going to have headsets, we're going to have battery packs where we can talk to each other, and we have an intercom system that allows us to do some pretty cool stuff. So when you get back to school, this is what we're going to be working on, and this is what we're going to make commercials and promos with. So get those ideas straight, finish those assignments, and let's see if we can make this as fun as I think it's going to be. But we got to know what we're doing. So we got a little reading to do, and we got to talk about what works and what doesn't work. Okay guys, thank y'all.